Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage which amongst your affiliates you need to pay commissions to, as well as make your referral active so that their affiliate can get their commission. Now from the dashboard, all you have to do is go to Affiliates and Leads, and from the drop down just click on Affiliates. There we go. Now on the screen, you would see some training videos that will guide you in case you get lost into navigation. And this will also help you understand the functions of the features on the screen. Now on the grid, we do have here an affiliate, a sample affiliate. The first thing that you need to make sure when you are adding an affiliate in is to set up the commission amount, this one right here, that you're going to be providing to them before you add any referrals, or before you assign any referrals to this affiliate, or before they even send out one. Once done, now just go to the documents and commissions, this one right here. So now onto the documents and commissions screen. From here, all you have to do is go to commissions, just click on this one. Once you click that, the commissions pop-up screen would show up. Now we do have here some sample referrals for this affiliate right here. Two of the referrals are already active members or active customers, which is this one, Marco and Frank. Now that means you can now change the status if you have already paid out this commission. So let's say for this one, from the drop down, you can choose to either pending, paid, or paid cancel. Now the paid cancel is when the referral has canceled down the road. Let's say after 2 months of activation this referral canceled, so you can tag it as that, which is paid cancel. Now let's say you have already made a payment to this referral, so you can just tag it as paid. There you go. And it will be on a paid status. There you go, it's already showing green icon. And also for the other one, let's say this is already paid. There you go. So it is now on a paid status, and you would see the date of the payment right here, as you can see. And same goes with the other customer, so it's already paid as well. Now, how would your affiliate be able to keep track of these commissions that you have already sent out and the status of your clients? So on the affiliate portal, let's close this out. Let's go to an affiliate portal. So I'm currently logged in on the test affiliate portal. So for them to check the commissions, they just need to go to commission section. And once they click on that, the affiliate will be able to keep track when the payment has been made. So they would see that right here, when it was paid out, and how much is the amount, and also the status of the referral. So that would complete our quick training tutorial on how you can manage your commissions for your affiliate.